Hi, I'm Joan Lok. In my upcoming workshop, continue with the texture stroke Swan for Sumi-e landscape. I will be covering a very common stroke called the hemp. And there are multiple kinds of hemp stroke, and some of them is to cover the slope with it, while others would be, like a more unorganized ways of the hemp. And what we are covering in the upcoming workshop will be the organized layering of hemp over the mountaintop. And there are actually two kinds of hemp stroke we are going to cover. The first one would be the shorter one, and the shorter one would be something that we will do for particularly shoreline and rocks, at the bottom of a landscape. For example, such as, like the stroke that we would do for near the rapids or, at the shore of the lakes and, like just lower beaches area. And then we'll also cover what we call the long hemp. And the long hemp would be something that we will do for mountains. And we'll talk about, like some really tall mountains. And we'll also use the hemp to cover, like maybe a single mountain or even a big mountain range. And I will also discuss how to actually design the mountain range so you will have what we call the journey into the landscape instead of just doing a stationary focal point, but we actually can journey into the mountain. So in the upcoming workshop, we'll do the ham stroke, a particular texture stroke, or we call swan for Sumi-e landscape. So I hope you will join me. And then we'll also work on a demo piece that will combine the use of the long ham and also the short ham in one painting to depict high mountain and also shoreline. So I hope you will join me in the upcoming workshop focus on the ham strokes for Sumi-e. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.